I love this one.
American woman.
I want to see what he said. So gangster, dude. And I'm picked out.
You want to see my eye? And this is my nose.
Shit.
Are you gonna stop it now? Wait. Get away! My eye!
I thought someone just came in here. Okay, stop recording.
My nose!